Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video. So in today's tutorial, it will be about how to auto-tune your voice using Audacity. So first, if you don't have Audacity, it's very simple to install. Just search for Audacity in Google and click on the first link. You don't have to type anything. I will put all the links in the description. And then click on download Audacity, and here you have the version for Mac and the version for Windows. So if you have Windows, just click here, Legacy Windows Download page, and then you have those two options. If you want to run it as download it as an installer or as a zip file. So choose which you want, and if you have any problem running Audacity after the download, just go back to this page and install this Visual C++. So now we are done with Audacity. I already have it, as you can see here. And let's go back, and we will need a plugin called Gsnap. So in order to install this plugin, the same thing, you'll find the link in the description. Just go over the link and you will find this Gsnap 32-bit. Don't install this one even if you have 64-bit PC. It's not about your PC, and you need the 30-bit file because Audacity is a 32-bit extension. So click here and start the download, and then let's put this on our desktop. Here is the Gsnap. So after that, all you need to do is close your Audacity and make sure it isn't running here, and then extract this file here. So here is the plugin Gsnap DLL, and then go over the folder of Audacity, and all you need is click on the icon of Audacity and click on open file location, and here is the file location of Audacity, and then go ahead over the folder plugins here, as you can see, and then drag this and drop it on the folder, on the plugins folder of Audacity. Give it a permission, and now everything is done, and let's run Audacity again. So after reopening Audacity, now all you need to do, guys, is record a voice clip, and then after select the part that you want to add an auto-tune to, and click on Effect, and here you will find the Gsnap, as you can see. Click on it. So if you don't find Gsnap on this list, just click on Generate and click on Add Remove Plugins, and here search for Gsnap, as you can see, and if you find it, disable it, just click on Enable and then click on OK. And one more thing, if you have some error message when you click on Gsnap, so all you need to do is delete the file Gsnap, all those files of Gsnap, and repeat the process again by downloading the Gsnap, and then extract the file here and overwrite and copy again the file on the plugin, and you will have some message saying that if you want to replace the existing file, and then click OK, and close Audacity again and reopen it, and the problem will be solved. So all you need to do, guys, now select the part that you want to add autotune to, and here you will find G-Snap. Click on it, and here is G-Snap. And I am not that professional on those stuff, guys, so you will do much better than me, and make your settings and enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a like and a comment if you want. Thank you, guys, for watching.